Welcome back to another kitchen walkthrough. Today we have here a light grey and black wood kitchen with a lovely granite worktop. In this kitchen we have our X-line handle this kitchen. So it's a light grey door with a matte black handle rail, and then the worktop is a Milo sensor. So Sense is part of the Cosentino brand, and this Milo is part of their premium collection. So a really nice worktop here. As you can see, we've got cupboards all along the top, and then this really nice feature here. So this is our Alba Oak black finish with a really nice glass wall unit at the top, which just lifts up. It's also got a hinge restrictor on it, so you don't have to worry about not being able to reach it to close. It just opens that much, and then tap it back shut again. And then another nice thing we've done with the worktop here, well, that's quite a few nice things we've done with the worktop in this kitchen, but one of them is to make sure that we use up as much of the stone as possible. So with this spare, we've made a nice little chopping board for the client. You can also use it as a serving board. I think it would be a great cheese board. So as you can see back here, we've also gone all the way up and into the windowsill with the worktop. So it's just a really nice feature to have. And then all the way around here, we've got a nice little 70mm upstand. Between the worktop and the wall units, we've got a feature splashback here. So it's white with with a bit of foil texture inside. And then coming down to the end of the kitchen, we've got two sinks, drainer grooves in between, dishwasher in the middle here, another dishwasher to the side. Obviously we have to have a corner put out, but the great thing about this kitchen is we have two corner put-outs. So we have another one in this corner here. Like try and get as much use of the space as possible. And then drawers. And then also this sink unit goes into the corner, so no corner has been wasted in this kitchen. And then another little open shelf moment over here. So again in the Alba Oak black, microwave wall mounted. And then we've got a 5-ring gas hob burner here. Here we have a wall-mounted black glass Elica extractor. So we love using Elica in a lot of our projects. They're a great brand, very reliable. And then here we have some integrated bins, and then 2 full ovens, and then of course storage above and below. Okay, so for the fridge situation in this kitchen, what we've done is we've put 2 freestanding Bosch fridge and freezer side by side. So Bosch actually make these 2 units separately but to be installed together. So we've got the doors that open this way, and then we've got full freezer here, full fridge here, and then of course again with the storage we've put a nice wall unit up here, so no storage is left unused, no space is left unused. And then over here we've just got a nice push to open larder. This is one of our most popular larders because it's got 4 drawers and 3 adjustable shelves. Okay, and then a really nice feature that we have here is the granite worktop going down into tabletop height in the Alba Oak black. And then we've just put some nice legs on the bottom, and now we have a nice table height area to kind of have breakfast, coffee, tea, whatever you fancy, really. Do some work even. So this can kind of be your kitchen area and working from home area, because we all know that's in high demand at the moment. I'm sure as you're aware in your own projects and in ours, we don't always have a perfectly square roof with a perfectly square room with a perfectly flat ceiling. So here we just need to work around this beam up here. So what we've done is we have a slightly taller unit, And then to work around the beam, we've just gone to one door size down. Put a smaller door and then a panel here. And then on the other side, this was just kind of used for the radiator anyway, so we didn't really have to work around it here. So to finish off this kitchen, we've just put a really nice panel at the top of the wall unit to the ceiling. So no dust's getting trapped up there, there's less cleaning involved, and it's just a really nice way to finish off the kitchen. It kind of makes it look like your wall units are taller than they actually are as well, so nice little bonus there. So that's it for this kitchen. So tell us what you think in the comments about what was your favourite feature. Is there anything that you want to use that you've seen today in your own kitchen? If you'd like to even discuss with us your kitchen plans, let us know in the comments or give us a call. We'll leave the number, our contact details right here. To keep up to date with our latest projects, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next one.